Hey lads, TechScanning here. We know the design of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series through different renders even before the launch. The most expensive model of the Galaxy S23 Ultra can be seen in green while the S23 Plus in pink color. Though the promotional poster doesn't reveal the vanilla model, but different leaks suggest that it would have an identical design to the S23 Plus. However, its signature color will be light or a pink gold. Actually, these are the colors Samsung will promote in most of its marketing campaigns. While if we take a look at the design revealed by this fresh image, as expected the S23 Ultra will have the same design language as its predecessor but with some minor changes. Like we can see this time, the three of the bigger camera rings will be body colored instead of black that we saw on the S22 Ultra. Further, the S23 Ultra will have slightly curved edges with thin bezels. And as can be seen, the Ultra model will feature the punch hole design selfie camera, reportedly a 12 megapixel sensor. Speaking of the other two models, S23 and S23 Plus, both will ditch the rear camera island that we saw on the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. So, the rear camera design of both handsets will be more in line with the S23 Ultra, that is the individual camera rings. The image also revealed the flat screen of the S23 Plus with a punch hole cutout for a selfie lens on the top center. So this is the first official leaked image of the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra, confirming what the early rumors are suggesting. Moving on, the S23 Ultra once again appeared on the Geekbench test, but this time with much better scores. As for the first time, it finally able to cross the 5000 multi-core Geekbench score, showing a sign of optimization improvements. We just hope Samsung will maintain a good balance between performance and battery life. Anyway, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be packed with the overclocked version of Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. While we will see a huge change in the S23 Ultra main camera lens, which as per the rumors will feature 200 megapixel sensor. So you will be able to record 8K videos at 30 fps up from 24 fps on the S22 Ultra. Hopefully it will offer performance on par with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Of course, we will keep you updated on all the S23 updates, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.